Hi, I'm Bob Gibbs from the Real Estate Market Watch. It's 23rd of May today, and I'm actually coming at you from a open house we're doing in the west side of Alamo. It's a nice horse property, a beautiful Arabian horse back there. And what I want to talk to you about today is the current market for selling your home. You know, it's the market is about as good as it's been in a couple of years, actually. You know, we're about in Alamo is a bit unique for this area. It's about 24% down from the high in 2007 for average sales price of homes. That is a little bit different than the market in Danville, which is actually up from last year. Still down about, I think, 13% from 2007, but it's actually been trending up. And in San Ramon, actually, we kind of bottomed out in the first quarter of 2009, and we've been going up consistently since then. So my message today is, from a seller standpoint, it hasn't really been this good in a lot of years. And that's not to say all you have to do is put your home on the market and you're going to get flooded with offers like we had in 2005 and 2006. But if you do want to sell, it is a good time to sell. Granted, you're not going to get the same prices that you get in 2005. And more likely than not, if you bought it in 2005, unless you did some dramatic rework to it, it's going to be worth probably a little less than you paid for it. But if someone needs to sell, it's not going to get any better than that. We're coming into the normal uptick in the real estate trending. This time of year, from a seasonality perspective, things tend to sell a lot quicker than they do, you know, either in winter or the fall. And so because of that, I think the time is really now to sell. Sales are up. We're seeing inventory levels starting to creep up again, so a lot of people are getting this message. However, sales are up, so homes are selling. So as always, this is a great area to live in, this whole East Bay area. The whole Bay Area in general seems to be doing pretty well. As I mentioned, in general, we've kind of bottomed out. In fact, we looked like we bottomed out in first quarter of 2007, or 2009, I'm sorry. Alamo, we're kind of flat right now. We've actually been trending down until the last couple of months, and we're pretty flat. So from a seller standpoint, I do agree that this is about as good as it's been in the last couple of years. We don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, but as of right now, it's a good time to sell. And if you're a buyer looking to buy right now, interest rates are really low because of what's going on in Europe right now, and people, investors in particular, kind of pulling their money out of Europe and trying to invest back here in the States. So what that's done is it started to create an environment where interest rates are dropping because people are shifting their investments around. So it's good. We don't have the first-time homebuyer tax rate anymore from a federal perspective, but interest rates are still good, and there is a lot of expectation that we'll be having a period of high inflation sometime in the future. So if you're going to buy, it's a great time to buy. We don't have as many houses as we like on the market, but you know, when you see one you like, I would encourage you to put a good offer in it and go for it. From a seller's perspective, good time to sell. Like, again, I don't think it's been this good in the last couple of years. So with that, you can always reach me if you have any specific questions about your own personal situation. I'm at 925-984-3992, and you can always reach us on our website, www.therealestatemarketwatch.com. And as always, we're here to help you realize your real estate goals and dreams. Have a great day. Bye.